Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. This month for our adult crafting, we are going to be making the do-it-yourself snow globe. So if you did get a kit, these are the things that were included, and if you did not, these are the items that you will need. This is a 4-inch plastic snow globe. It's empty, and I just found this at Dollar Tree. And then you can use fake snow. I also got this at Dollar Tree. Or you could use glitter. And then you'll want something inside of your snow globe. And these were found at Dollar Tree. There's these little tiny trees that will glue inside of the snow globe. And then we're going to put like a colored ribbon on the outside of this globe. So you should have gotten some of this glitter ribbon. And then two things that you did not get with your kit, well, three things that you didn't get with your kit. One would be water. So we'll need water that goes inside of the globe eventually. We'll be using a hot glue gun. And even better than the hot glue gun would be if you did have some kind of epoxy adhesive. I will be using, it's like a plumber's epoxy, but you can use E6000 or even Gorilla Glue to kind of seal it even more, especially when we're using water. If you choose not to use water, you can just use the hot glue. That should be just fine. All right, so I'm going to switch over to the overhead camera and we're going to get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open this globe up. So take this out, and then there is this plastic platform inside. It's a little difficult to get it out, but we do want to pop it out. All right, so it makes quite a nice seal here. So this is what we're going to be gluing our little figurines onto, this right here. I'm going to use the epoxy for this, just because we will be submerging this under water. So I'm going to set this up. Okay, now that I've got this on here, I'm just going to Okay, now that the glue has set and it is all dry and very stuck together, we're going to flip this upside down. I'm actually going to set it right here. And we will take our fake snow or glitter, whatever we choose, and we're going to put it inside of this globe. It's probably good. And then let's just take a look at how deep these trees are going to go in so that we know approximately how much water. Okay. So now we pour water in our globe.
Here is where the craft went wrong.
I obviously have a towel here just in case I spill water
used foam snow instead of glitter, and the foam snow just floated to the top of the globe and did not work as it should. So only use glitter or something that is more dense than water if you are using water in order for this to function. If you're using foam snow, it will just be decorative and a dry globe. And so that's what I will show you after this. Alright, now that we've got our snow globe all decorated on the inside, we are going to put the bottom on and we're going to decorate the outside. So just screw that back on, and I have started to heat up my glue gun. This is where you take out your ribbon, and then, alright, so we take the ribbon and we're gonna, let's see, is this hot? Just gonna dab a few dots of glue. I'm actually gonna set this down as I go. Because the glue dries really fast. Alright, I'll just snip this. And I'll just do one more dab of glue. Alright. So there's the completed project. Decorative little snow globe that you can put up for the holiday season. A dry snow globe.